to call me out from the world into this journey.
By faith he led me to the promised land, where living water freshens me, and satisfaction's in the living tree.
In the church, here to stay. Countless times I've failed, but to show me the way back, I'm not of this world. You've appeared to me, Lord, there's no turning back. I've seen my destiny is an eternal city, whose architect and builder is my God.
Devote ourselves so that we would be prepared to enjoy everything that God has prepared for us.
During the full-time training, Lord Jesus, I also consecrate my life to you. Lord Jesus, I don't know what your sovereign plan has stored in me, but Lord Jesus, cause me to not lose your presence.
I'm giving to you everything that I am, and I have is the way to gain you, and gladly I will do. But I
Though God has brought me to this chosen land,
At times I don't really understand the sufferings I go through, Lord, is all this for me? I am a man under your sovereign hand.
your mercy shines and now I see your tender-heartedness to deal with me.
In the church, have your way. Strip me off of the earthly joys that replace you. I'm not for this world. Though the old man decays, I'm daily renewed. My life on earth must be to seek a better country, whose architect and builder is my God.
You consecrate yourself not to do something for the Lord, but for you to enjoy Him.
Lord, whatever your will is, cause me to have a heart na kung ano yung naisin mo, yun din yung maging naisin ko.
That even though the world may promise me more, I will not. It will not give me the satisfaction that I have in the Lord.
Lord, please don't disregard me when I'm not useful anymore.
Lord, I just want to live a life absolute to you. Even though I'm not worthy, you still choose me, Lord. Jesus, I love you, Lord. I really love you, Lord.
Lord, I also want to be useful to you. Lord, I want to be useful for your economy.
Gusto ko lang maging kagamit-gamit sa iyo, Panginoon.
Lord, right now, I still want to be useful to you.
Lord mo, kailangan na. Ako lang ang magtapos sa takbuhin na ito.
Oh Lord, I want to be faithful as you, being faithful to me.
Lord, I want to open my heart to you, Lord.
Lord, I consecrate my whole being to you. Lord, I consecrate my church life to you. Lord,
Make me a blessing to the church. Make me a blessing to the brothers and sisters. Lord,
I consecrate myself to join the full-time training in the year 2020.
I consecrate myself to join the full-time training next year, August.
Salvation is not a living promise, but allowing the Lord Jesus to move in us.
Our destinies in New Jerusalem.